If you have a 3rd gen 4Runner, you know the front cup holders in these things. If you want to use them, then you have no access to all of your heat controls and AC controls underneath. Well, there's a guy on eBay who 3D prints this little cup holder that goes right here, and I'm gonna attempt to figure out how to install it, and I'll check back in a sec. So it looks like it comes with 2 screws. One of them goes in that hole, I'm assuming the short screw, and then the other one goes in that hole. And there's also some double-sided tape underneath. In case anybody was wondering, it costs $45 shipped, and that is the eBay seller. So I'm going to wipe that off with some rubbing alcohol and get it popped on there. So I got it all installed. You are going to need a deep Phillips head if you buy one of these, and it does not have any issue with the transfer case selector. Will go everywhere it's supposed to go, and so will the shifter. There's 5th. Plenty of room. I like it. For 50 bucks, and your phone fits right in here. And it's not really in the way at all when you're sitting.